Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Windows Installation Media USB. First, download the official media creation tool from Microsoft. You will need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of free space. Ensure you back up any important files from your USB drive, as this process will erase all its contents. This tool will prepare your USB drive to install Windows easily. Once your USB drive is ready, insert it into the computer where you wish to install Windows. Restart the computer and immediately press the designated key, often F2, F12, Delete, or Escape, to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Navigate to the boot options and change the boot order, ensuring your USB drive is the primary boot device. Save and exit to proceed. After booting from the USB, the Windows setup will begin. Follow the initial on-screen prompts to select your language, time, and keyboard layout. Click Install Now, and if you have one, enter your Windows product key. If not, you can often skip this step for later activation. Choose Custom, install Windows Only Advanced to manage your hard drive partitions. The installation process will continue, and your computer will restart several times. After the final restart, you will be guided through setting up your user account, creating a password, and configuring privacy settings. Connect to the internet to ensure all necessary updates and device drivers are downloaded. Remember to remove the USB installation media after the first restart to avoid booting back into the installer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.